You notice that finance YouTube shorts are getting millions of views every single day? Some channels are growing unbelievably fast, earning huge amounts of money from simple short videos about saving money, subscriptions, investing, psychology, and daily financial habits. The most surprising part? Many of these viral shorts are not created by professional editors or big studios. Most of them are made using free AI tools with very simple editing techniques. Just look at the views on these finance shorts. Hundreds of thousands, millions, and sometimes even tens of millions of views on a single video. These channels are generating massive traffic, subscribers, and passive income by consistently uploading short AI-generated content. And today, I am going to show you exactly how you can create the same type of viral YouTube short step by step, even if you have zero experience, no editing skills, and no expensive software. So watch this video carefully till the end without skipping any part, because every single step is important if you truly want to learn this skill and start building your own successful YouTube channel. Step 1. Get viral video ideas with ChatGPT. I have already prepared an advanced professional prompt for you, and the link is available in the description below. Simply download the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Before moving to the next step, carefully study the prompt. You can later customize it according to your own niche and style, but if you are a beginner, I strongly recommend following it exactly as shown in this tutorial. Once you use the prompt, ChatGPT will generate multiple viral video ideas for you. Choose the one you like the most. Step 2. Generate the full storyboard. Now copy your selected idea and paste it back into ChatGPT. This is where the real magic begins. ChatGPT will generate a complete storyboard for your short video, including full script, scene-by-scene breakdown, AI image prompts, animation prompts, dialogues, visual instructions. Everything you need to create a professional viral YouTube short will be ready in seconds. In this tutorial, we are focusing on finance-related content because this niche has huge traffic potential, and many channels are already getting millions of views using simple AI-generated shorts. I will also show you examples of successful channels for inspiration.
Step 3. Create AI images for each scene. Now copy the first image prompt generated by ChatGPT and open Google Flow AI. Sign in using your Gmail account and start a new project. Choose the YouTube Shorts aspect ratio of 9:16 and select the Nano Pro or Nano Banana model, whichever you prefer. Paste the prompt and click Generate. You will notice that the style is simple, clean, and highly engaging, usually with one main character and a neat background. Repeat this process to generate images for all 7 scenes of your video.
Step 4. Create animation prompts. Now return to ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite the prompts specifically for animation, including camera angles, character actions, scene movements, dialogues, cinematic directions. ChatGPT will generate professional animation prompts for every scene, making your video look far more engaging and dynamic. You will have countless options for every scene. Step 5. Convert images into video clips. Go back to Google Flow AI. Upload the image for Scene 1, click the 3 dots, and add the animation prompt below the image. Select the same video size and settings you used earlier, then click Generate. Your static image will now turn into an animated video clip. Repeat the same process for all remaining scenes until all clips are ready. Step 6. Compile everything in Canva. Now open Canva.com which is a free and beginner-friendly video editing platform. Create a new project using the 9:16 YouTube Shorts format. From the left side menu, click Uploads and upload all your generated video clips. Drag and drop the clips onto the timeline in the correct order. Once you arrange all 7 scenes, your complete short video structure will be ready.
Step 7. Add transition and background music and download. To make your video more engaging, click on the timeline in the space between the video clips on timeline and add transition and apply it to all pages. Similarly, search background music by click on Element tab in left menu bar and select background music under audio section and add background music by drag and drop to the timeline. Keep the music volume low, around 10 to 15%, so the narration remains clear. Preview the complete video carefully and make final adjustments if needed. Congratulations! Your viral YouTube short is now ready. Click on Share button in the top right menu of Canva and download video as MP4 format to your device. Step 8. Create title, description, tags, and thumbnail. Now go back to ChatGPT one final time. Ask ChatGPT to generate a viral YouTube title, SEO-friendly description, trending hashtags, high-ranking tags, a thumbnail prompt. Then create your thumbnail, upload your video to YouTube, and add all the generated details. That's it. You have now learned how to create a complete AI-powered viral YouTube short using free tools and no advanced skills. With practice, you can create videos faster, improve quality, and even expand into long-form YouTube videos using the same workflow. Remember, consistency is the real secret. Your first few videos are for learning, but once you master the process, you can build an entire channel around it. If you found this tutorial valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful AI tutorials and online earning strategies. So in this tutorial, we created a complete viral YouTube short using free AI tools only. We got viral ideas, storyboard, image prompts, animation prompts, titles, description, tags, and thumbnail from ChatGPT, created animations in Flow AI, and compiled everything in Canva. All these tools are free. Now follow these steps. Upload one video daily on your channel. Stay consistent and start growing your YouTube income.